Hello everyone, in this video we'll create a comprehensive review and we'll also dive deep into Octane AI's features, benefits and drawbacks to help you decide if it is the right fit for your business. So to get started, Octane AI is like a super smart helper for your Shopify store. It's just a squeeze and phone conversation on Facebook Messenger to get to know your customers better. This helps you suggest products they actually love, leading to more sales. Think of it as a friendly salesperson who chats with your customers on Facebook Messenger, figures out what they want, and then show them what the perfect item from your store. If you are curious to learn even more, you can always contact Octane AI directly. They are happy to help. Now, talking about the key features of this platform, it's come with a fully packed key features that makes this platform different from other AI platform. So, Octane AI isn't just another quiz app. It's a powerful tool packed with a unique features designed to transform your Shopify store. And let's take a close look at what sets it apart from other AI websites. So one of these key features that set it apart from other AI platform is a smart squeeze, which get beyond just a simple questions. Also, it comes with a data marketing and a Helia uses together with a Shopify merchant. So it comes with an email lead and other key important features like that. So talking about the pricing, Octane AI offer a variety of pricing plans to suit different business needs. And here is this quick overview. So they have a different type of plan. They have a Octane plan, they have Octane Plus plan and Enterprise plan, and each of these plan has their monthly price between 50, 200 and $500. And talking about the key features, it has a different key features, and each features are powerful compared to others because of the plan ranking. So if you want more information about that, you can just get back to the website using the link in the video, then access the pricing plan to help you decide which of this plan will be a better option for you and which plan will suit your pocket. So talking about the the strength and the weakness of this platform, it's come with a different ideology. Before making an decision, it is crucial to weigh the good and the bad of this platform before diving into it. So I'm just going to create a quick overview about the strength and the weakness of this platform. So talking about the strength, it helps you boost sales. It also help you gather zero parties data, and it will improve your customers engagement, and it comes with an easy to use, which is an intuitive interface. It does help you integrate with your Shopify store. Now talking about the downside, which is the pricing can be a little bit higher for your business, and the learning curve also is not really encouraging. Then the limited customization and the reliance on a Facebook and Messenger. So that's it. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this AI platform and what's your users review about this Octane AI.